Hey guys, this is Steph with homework 2, number 5. I lost my voice, so sorry if this is going to sound a little ridiculous. So it says, construct a Cayley table for U12. So first we have to figure out what U12 is. So we want all the numbers that don't have any common factors with 12 except for the number 1. So, of course, we have 1. We can't use 2, can't use 3, can't use 4. We can use 5, can't do 6. We can do 7, can't do 8, can't do 9, can't do 10, but we can do 11. So U12 consists of 4 numbers, 1, 5, 7, and 11. Okay, so now we have to make a Cayley table. So 1, 5, 7, 11. 1, 5, 7, 11. Okay, so all the numbers we're going to fill in have to be mod 12. So the first row is easy. 1 times 1 is 1, 1 times 5, 1 times 7, 1 times 11. Same thing with the first column. All right, so 5 times 5 is 25, but in mod 12, that would be 1, because 12 goes in 2 times with a remainder of 1. So 5 times 7 would be 35. So 12 goes in, 2 times with a remainder of 11. So same thing for 5 times 7. All right, next one. 5 times 11, so that's 55. Okay, so 12 goes into 48, and that means that we have a remainder of 7. So 7 would go here, 11 times 5, and 5 times 11. All right, 7 times 7, 49, while 12 goes into 48, so there's a remainder of 1. So next, 7 times 11 gives us 77. 12 goes into 72, so we'll have a remainder of 5. Last one, 11 times 11, 121. We know 12 goes into 120, but that's too big. So let's see, it would go into, oh no, it's not too big, just kidding. So it goes into 120, so the remainder would be 1. So there it is. There's your Cayley table for U12.